Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So this video is a really quick one today, but it's going to be a product review of the landing net handle that I've just purchased. Now, from now on, when I do buy new gear, I'm going to do product reviews of them. I think it really helps me understand the product, but also helps other people as well. So guys, this landing net handle is a map dual 3-meter competition. Now, I haven't even used it yet. I've only purchased it today, but I'm going to get down there in a little while. I'm going to start using it, and hopefully we're going to catch some big carp as well. But part of this review, I'm just going to give you a quick summary of what I think of it initially, as I've got it, like I say, today. So, and then I'm going to do a little bit of recording later, and you'll see me using this landing net handle. So initial thoughts, it comes in a bag. Now it looks absolutely nice. It protects it when you buy it, so that's good. You want it a nice, brand new, not scratched landing net handle when you first buy it. But my actual initial thoughts is I'm not going to use this bag. I mean, yeah, it's great when it comes in it, but I'm going to do a lot of match fishing. The last thing I want to do is messing about putting it in a bag at the end. So I'm going to put it straight into my pole holder. Now you may want to use this bag, which is absolutely fine, but for me, I'm just going to go in my shed and I won't use it again. But like I say, it helps protect it and it looks nice when you first get it. So in terms of my initial thoughts, is it's got a nice, I mean, the handle itself's got a good grip on it. So, but until I start using it, it's hard to say. But I think when I've got wet hands, I think this grip on this landing net handle is going to be absolutely fine. Now, this is a 3-meter landing net handle. So it's also got these 2 rubber bungs on the end just to protect it and to obviously store the middle section. Now, because it's 3 meters, it does only have 2 sections. Now, if you had a 4-meter landing net handle, the chances are it's either going to be a very long two sections, but I think in the main they come in 3. Now, I've only ever get 3-meter landing net handles, and they're absolutely fine for what I do. So most of my commercial fishing, I can catch carp, silvers with this size. Now, in terms of its thickness, it's pretty good. I'd probably say at the sort of handle end, I've probably got a good, probably about 1 inch, maybe just over 1 inch of diameter. So again, in terms of strength, then down to the end, that's going to, where I'm going to put my landing net on, I've probably got around 1 inch there. So I think the sort of handle end is probably slightly bigger. And again, this end here, without even getting the tape measure out and measuring it, which I'm not going to do, but again, it's roughly 1 inch. So really solid, really sturdy at the moment. So in terms of connecting it, I'm just going to put it on, and I'm going to just mark it there with my thumb, and I'm then just going to take it out, and I want to see how much of that the handle at the bottom end goes into the top end. And I've got about 4 inches there of a landing net that's going to go into the section. Now that just tells me it's going to be quite sturdy and quite solid in the middle. So I'm quite happy with that. So far so good. I mean, it comes in a nice bag. It's got a good grip by the looks of it. It's a solid looking piece of kit. At the section as well in the middle is quite important for me, and I've got about 4 inches roughly of pole going into the middle section there. So guys, I'm going to just get the landing net handle on here now, and then in a little while I am going to go and fish with it. We're going to hopefully catch some big carp, and we're going to hopefully see this in action, and then at the end I'll give you my summary and tell you what I really think of it. There you go guys, here's the landing net. I've been using this now for a good hour, catching some proper lumps, and it's been pretty good. I mean, the reach on it has been pretty good. I had no problem in there in sort of netting them. I can also net fish quite shorter or closer to me as well. It felt quite sturdy, but obviously time will tell, and we'll see how we get on over the next few weeks and the next few months. So guys, You just see me using this landing net handle. I have to be honest with you, I don't think it's too bad. It's absolutely solid. This landing net handle cost me £70. I've just been catching some big carp in it and I didn't have a problem getting them out. So guys, if you like this landing net, or if you've already got this landing net handle, what's more important for me is to leave a comment on this video. Let me know what you actually think about it, because I've only just purchased it today and I've only had a quick session catching a few fish. So let me know what you think about it if you've got this, or even let me know what other landing net handle you've got and what you use. But guys, as usual, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it's easy and it only takes about 2 seconds. Also, don't forget to drop this video a like. And if you can, like I say, please leave a comment on the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you use. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed it. Until next time, tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.